Alright guys, we're going to do the arms here. We're going to start with the right shoulder, it's going to be P6, so it'll be this one, and P6 goes all the way up top here. P6 goes up here where it says 4, and then P5 goes underneath it. Tight squeeze again where it says 3. Great. Right arm is done. The left arm is P14, and P14 goes under 15, which is 12 on this thing here. Done. And the last one, P13, goes right underneath that one in the last remaining space here where it says 13, I believe. Alright. This is going to be a tight squeeze again. But yeah, that concludes how you set up the wiring for the robot. There is one last cable here. This is for the eyes, and it just goes in those 2 little pins there. And I can't remember which way it goes, but I will do that in another video. Anyway, thanks for watching.